How to change residential address on Amazon. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your residential address on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now residential address means maybe you want to change the delivery address. Now billing address is different. Now billing address is where your payment method and all are located, but we want to change the residential or the shipping address or the delivery address, right? So you can go to amazon.com or open the Amazon app, then tap on your profile icon from the top right hand side. Then here under account you'll find the option called see all, so you can just tap on the see all section over there. Then once you go to the see all option over here, you can simply scroll down, and here under account settings you'll find the option called your addresses. So tap on the your addresses option over there. Now here by default this is already my current address over here, because I can also set this as my default address. But if I want to add a new address and make that my default one, then I can simply tap on the add a new address section. Then once I tap on add a new address section, I can simply enter all that and I can select make this my default address. Just simply add an address. You can also go to delivery instructions and add some of the extra settings that you might want to, and this way you will be able to go ahead and then change your residential address on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.